So if you're walking the hills, you need to be very careful. Churmasuas fishing and Lafieru, imagine the Shaw Scry linea. If you see this in the hills, this kind of greenery, light, Keenoch, moss there. Well, the quicksand, it's like quicksand. My head's to a shahan, to Shandali Alamahas. Cudston tractani a cordini suas ma ishan and shin vishadan Samuel, because Hubberger Kalu Gil Ordini, a screen the tractorishan. Higlet Urker. But I'll just show you a wee close up of this scry linia here. So this is the scry linia here now. You can see underneath it, it's very wet and it's like quicksand. If you go in there, you're going to have a hard time getting out. Higlet Ekeln shin, Ishkila Fekeln shin, ach. Chim Las Kiri and Shaw Fosters, it's the Sulam no Jahish Jahan. So that's Scry linia, and you know now what to watch out for if you're walking the hills and you see kind of a swampy ground like that there. Fanamahas. Gaeilge Dúlra.